Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Notion Workspace and Wiki. Review my usage experience. Notion Workspace and Wiki. Review my usage experience offers a comprehensive system for building and managing a personal or team workspace using the Notion platform. It's geared towards individuals and teams needing a flexible, customizable wiki and project management solution. Key features include database creation, linking pages, and the ability to create a robust knowledge base. Their website provides details on various templates and integrations. Notion's strength lies in its flexibility and highly customizable nature. Their website details different pricing plans, offering transparency. While not a direct comparison to other wiki systems, Notion stands out because of its ability to integrate with numerous other apps and its versatility extending beyond just a wiki. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface is a significant advantage. You can check Notion's website for availability and pricing details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Notion Workspace and Wiki. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process is well guided, and I was able to set up my workspace and create my first database in under an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The visual representation of linked pages is very helpful. I used it to manage my freelance projects, creating separate databases for clients, tasks, and deadlines. The performance was consistently smooth and reliable, even with a fairly complex network of linked pages. I had a quick question about database formulas, and their help center provided a very clear answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, especially the ability to customize views. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to embed other applications directly into Notion pages, allowing seamless workflow integration. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for mastering some of the more advanced features, like creating complex database relationships. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Notion's power and versatility. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of organization and productivity. That's my overview of Notion Workspace and Wiki. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.